Hello everyone. In this video I will discuss about nouns gender. Nouns gender. In English language, noun words belong to each of the following groups. Words that refer to males, words that refer to females, words that refer to males and females, and words that refer to neither males nor females. On this basis, nouns have four genders. Number first, masculine gender. Number two, feminine gender. Number three, common gender. And number four, neutral gender. Neuter gender. Number first, masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male is said to be in masculine gender. For example, the man was very sad. A boy was standing there. The lion looked at the hunter angrily. The Shah Rukh Khan is a popular actor. In the above examples, man, boy, lion, and actor are in masculine gender. Now, feminine gender. A noun that refers to a female is said to be in feminine gender. For example, the woman was crying loudly. Radhika is a girl. The lioness walked away. Sonakshi is a popular actress. In the above examples, woman, girl, lioness, and actress are in feminine gender. Common gender. A noun that refers to both male and female is said to be in common gender. For example, Nidhi is a small child. Neha and Nitu are friends. Peter is a student of class 7. My neighbor is a government servant. In the above examples, child, friends, students, neighbor, and servant are in common gender because that refers to both male and female. Neuter gender. A noun that refers to neither male nor female is said to be in neuter gender. For example, the book is lying on the table. These are pakka houses. He wrote the letter with a pencil. In the above examples, book, table, houses, letter, and pencil are in neuter gender because that refers to neither male nor female. Masculine gender can be changed into feminine gender using certain rules. Let's study them. Number first, some masculine nouns are changed into feminine nouns by adding ess to them. Example: host, hostess, lion, lioness, priest, priestess. Sometimes the spelling of the words may have to be altered slightly before adding the ess. God, goddess, duke, duchess, hunter, huntress, prince, princess, master, mistress. Because nouns are changed into feminine nouns by dropping the final vowel and adding ess to them. Some masculine nouns are changed into feminine nouns by adding ess to them but in irregular manner. Emperor, empress, governor, governess. Some masculine nouns are changed into feminine nouns by changing a word before or after the nouns. Example: peacock, peahen, milkman, milkmaid, landlord, landlady, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, stepfather, stepmother. Some masculine nouns are changed feminine nouns by using entirely different words. King, queen, husband, wife, nephew, niece, son, daughter, cock, hen, monk, nun, sir, madam, ram, Eve, etc. Remember the masculine and feminine forms of these nouns: bridegroom, bride, lad, lass, widower, widow, hero, heroine, Mr. and Mrs. Anchor, companion, parent, reporter, announcer, cousin, person, student, baby, friends are of the common gender. The word author, poet, and actor are now supposed to be of the common gender. Now common to refer to pet animals and domestic animals like dog, cat, cow, etc. as he or she. That's here home assignment is given. That's all for today. Thank you.